Okay. So communication theory subject name is 8491 and the unit number 3 random process. Uh, Random process. So what is random process? Random process uh, is a time varying function. தமிழில் வந்துட்டு சீரற்ற செயல்முறை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So that is called as random process. So the random experiment to each instant x of t for fixed sample path and random process is a time varying function. Okay, example is a signal. Time varying function example is signal. So what are the time varying functions in nature? So number one is noise. So noise is an unwanted signal. So that is also random process signal. An image, audio. So usually these are the things as uh, random process in nature. The random process represent a mathematical model of this random signals. So first of all, we have to see what is random process definition. So definition of random process: a random process or stochastic process. What is stochastic process? Stochastic அப்படின்னா தோராயமான ப்ராசஸ்னு அர்த்தம். So random process or stochastic process is a collection of random variables and indexed by time. So that's the definition of random process. So random process is a stochastic process, is a collection of random variable indexed by time. So this is called as random process definition. So notation. So we have x t comma s. So s is nothing but is a sample point of random experiments. So the sample point of the random experiment you can say that is S and the T time period. So simplified notation we can say actually previous one is X T comma S. So X and T time period and S is sample point of random experiments, and we can simplify this equation as X of T. We just ignore the S. So finally we write it as X of T. Then random variable. So we just now saw about random process and now it's a random variable. So what is random process and random variable? What's the difference between random process and random variable? So random process is a outcome of mapped to random waveform. That's a function of time. So that is called as random process. Random variable, its outcome is mapped to a number. So that is called as random variable. So random process, it's a difference between random process and random variable. So random process, it's a outcome mapped to a random waveform. That's a function of time. And then random variable, the outcome mapped to a number. So there it is a waveform, it is a number. And where variable is number and random process, it's a waveform. Okay. So that's a main difference between random variable and random process. The way of this time function evolve. So correlation and spectra and linear system for a fixed sample point. You know, so time functions evolve. So correlation, spectra, and linear systems for a fixed sample point S of j x t comma sj. So previously we saw x comma t comma s, that is simplified the notation, we got it x of t. For a simple sample point, we just the sample function, that random process in sample function sj comma x t comma sj. So the simplified notation. So uh, here we are just adding fixed sample point. Previously in random process they are taking randomly, they are taking the sample, and here they are taking the sample like a fixed one. Okay, fixed sample point from the random process, that is we can mention it s of j or sj. So if you're going to apply in the equation, the previous equation x t comma s, so instead of s we can put it as sj. That's a fixed sample point. So again we have to simplify this notation. So if you simplify this notation, x of t comma sj, so that's a main equation. So if you're going to simplify this notation, then you will get it x j of t. Okay, similarly we have to take fixed time. So previously it's a fixed sample point, now we are going to take fixed time period. So x of tk s1, so tk here fixed time period with the sample 1. So similarly fixed time period sample 2 up to the tk with the number of sample sn. So this we can write as simplified notation x1 of tk, then up to it will be go to xn of tk. So you can write like this. Okay, so simple fixed sample sj, fixed time period tk. So in that we have sample period is s1 s2 s3 up to sn. There also we having time period as tk, that means fixed time period in a random variable denoted by xtk. For a fixed sj and tk, so x tk and sj is a number. Okay, so for actually previously this one is a random process. So if the same equation will be come to the random variable, then sj tk, so these are the considered as a number. We know what's the difference between random process and random variable. So random variable, it's a mapped by number, and random process is mapped by a waveform. So waveform representation represented as here equation. So the time period t and the sample is s. So x of t comma s means x is the x and y axis. So if you're going to draw the signal, then you will be get the representation. So if you're going to apply x of tks1 up to x of n, then you will be get the equation x1 tk2 up to xn tk. So this is sample point for representing time varying function. Okay, there is a s1 s2 s3, so these are the sample points present in the diagram, and there we have simple sample points and sample time period, both are is available in the diagram. So see the outcome of the first trial experiment. So they are also having fixed time period and fixed sample point. Similarly, outcome of second time of the experiments, they are also having sample point and then fixed time period, and third one outcome of the third trial experiment. So everywhere there is a sample point and fixed time period and the value of x1 of t, x2 of t, x3 of t, until the up to that, the sometimes they indicated in arrow, that is a fixed place, fixed time period. Okay. Okay, so remaining thing we will see in next video.